So, we're going to give you a behind-the-scenes preview into our production facility. We show you where the magic happens. Oh, this is a nice moment that you hand it to me and I'm like, put it over here. We were not only on a mission to increase the acoustic quality of the units that we brought to the market, but also the build quality. Have a look at the King Kong Premium. The external frame is very substantial. Then it's fortified by this internal frame, which itself, I mean, look at this. This is already chunky. This one gets wrapped in the acoustic grade textile. And here's one we assembled earlier. Look at the depth on that.